Good evening, YouTube. Goodbye, 2019. It is the last day of 2019. As this year comes to a close, I want to take a few minutes and think about some of the good habits that I have formed over the past year. One of the many good habits that I can think of is water. I have done a great job drinking water this year. I have noticed a difference in my energy level and hydration level. Really good at drinking it in the morning, which is a great habit to be in. I have also started tracking my habits. I started bullet journaling earlier this year. I discovered this book. Thank you, writer Carol. Highly recommend it. I started bullet journaling earlier this year. I started tracking different habits, and I got really good at working out frequently and taking my supplements that I wanted to take. Some other habits that I wanted to incorporate into my daily routine: meal planning, studying Spanish, and studying my Bible kind of fell to the wayside over the course of the month. Bible and Spanish falling off. What's the point of learning a foreign language? At my age, I'm 35 years old. Why do I need a foreign language? I have a really deep desire to go to Honduras on a mission trip again. I would love to go in 2020. Some family stuff isn't going to allow for that. My goal is 2021 to head back to Honduras, so that is the point of me incorporating Spanish into my routine. For Bible reading, that is actually really important to me. This year, I'm going to make an effort to change that. This year, 2020, actually it's not this year yet, it's still 10/41 of 2019. I'm going to pick a different habit every month for the course of 12 months. I know that finding a whole bunch of different habits and starting them all at once is a terrible idea because I know I'm not going to stick to it. For the month of January, I'm going to do one habit, and then in February, I'm going to keep that same habit. For the month of January, I'm going to make a commitment to get up at 6:30 in the morning and read my Bible for 15 minutes. I will, of course, have some water when I get up in the morning and read my Bible, but nothing else. I am changing my morning routine for 2020. I'm really good at turning off that alarm clock and rolling over and going back to sleep. Even though I have one of those awesome alarm clocks that the light goes off and wakes you up. Again, that's what that cool thing is. Makes the room light up, but I'm really good at turning it off and just going back to sleep. That's something I'm going to change this year, and I have a reason to change it because I want to get my Bible reading in every morning before the kids get up. I got a Bible reading plan all ready to go. I'm going to get started on it tomorrow morning, January 1st, even though it's going to be really late when I go to bed. All right, 2020, here we come. Every month, I'm going to pick a new habit, and I'll show you whether or not that habit was a good habit, a bad habit, how it affected me, and see which ones that I might take into 2021. I encourage you to pick something to change and try to stick with it for at least a month. It takes 90 days to form a habit. I'm just going for 30 days here. That's the same habit that I'm going to keep continuing through all of 2020. I'm going to stick with just one habit per month. January 1st, here we come, 2020, ready for a new year, and we're going to make some great changes. See you in the next video.